This one goes out to all the AV integrators out there. Tired of complex network setups or of configuring VLANs, WANs, and all those IP address nightmare plans?
Nice rhyme.
I hate you for making me do that. Alright, I'm no Lil Wayne, so let's just kick off this episode. Today, we are talking about the all-new Island router. The Island Router Company was founded by PerfTech, whose technology has been selected by some of the biggest brands in the industry. Island's mission is to bring this exceptional technology to smaller customers, making it accessible to a wider audience. The Island Router system is a great solution for busy AV integrators who want to set up a great network for their customers, complete with leading-edge security and many more advanced features, but without the extra hassle of taking night courses in networking from MIT. After all, you are AV guys, but maybe you aren't IT guys, and that's okay.
But that's okay.
So much is riding on the network nowadays. Sound control, AV, lighting, shades, pretty much everything. Let's start with the process of the Island setup. Plug the router into the Ethernet port on the existing network, download the Island app, and let the magic happen. The Island takes a minute or so to learn everything there is to know about the network. It then stores that info away. This info includes learning current device addresses, which minimizes the need to have your customers reboot every individual device. After the learning phase is complete, disconnect the existing router and switch it out with the all-new Island. After the Island is installed, you can be confident in telling your customers that it is geared for gigabit speeds and also designed to accommodate future generation speeds. They will also be happy to know that up to 5,000 devices can be connected at one time, making it perfect for residential applications, including any customers who work from home, small to medium businesses, or for a more specific example, it can be used for anyone who has Airbnb homes. Property managers who rent out Airbnb or other apartments can monitor and make changes from anywhere without the need to go on site. But what about security? Let's take a deep dive into just what the Island router can do to protect your customers from malware. After setup, the Island kicks in with automatic security filtering against sources of malware like botnets. And just to reiterate, I did say automatic. While some features can be fine-tuned within the app, all the essential security features work right out of the box. Within the app, your customers can also set schedules for devices, filter specific search terms or pages they prefer not to be accessible on certain devices, and gain insights into complete bandwidth usage by device. Speaking of the app, Island has done an excellent job designing it for both you, the integrator, and your customers. As an integrator, you have the flexibility to choose which features you want your customers to access and use. If you think some of your customers might not be tech savvy, you can restrict certain features to prevent them from inadvertently changing your initial settings. As the installer, you also have the ability to monitor any issues that may arise and promptly address them for a seamless experience. Alright everyone, that's a wrap. For more in-depth information on what the Island can offer you and your customers, we'll provide a link to their website with a bunch of valuable resources and videos. Island has crafted a stunning, intelligent, and highly advanced router. Make the most of it in your upcoming installations. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Check It Out. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Also, give us a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do it now. Until next time.